Simplify complex numbers. 9 plus I is equal negative 7I. First of all, we are going to get rid of the imaginary number in the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by I. So now we can write this, can express it as a 9 plus I over negative 7I times I over I. I is our imaginary number. So we want to get rid of this imaginary number here in the denominator. That's why we are multiplying by I over I. And this is giving us I into bracket 9 plus I over I into bracket negative 7I. And this is equal to 9I plus I squared over negative 7I squared. Then we want to apply the property of imaginary numbers where I squared is given by negative 1. I squared is negative 1. So we substitute here. This is equal to 9I plus I squared is negative 1. Negative 1 over negative 7 times I squared is negative 1. This is giving us a 9I minus 1 over negative 7 times negative 1 is positive 7. Then now we can split this into 2. This fraction we can split it into 2, and this is giving us a negative, giving us 9I over 7 minus 1 over 7. We then write the answer in the general form of complex number. The general form of complex number is given by A plus BI. So now this is equal to negative 1 over 7 plus 9I over 7. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching.